Runaway Bay Centre is an interesting centre in that it's probably one of the few centres in the country where customers can arrive at the centre by boat and do their shopping. My name's Anthony Tide. I'm a Senior Associate of Buchan. We're the project architects for the Runaway Bay Centre, where we got engaged to refurbish the fresh food precinct and the food court to create a casual dining precinct. We came up with a concept design where the ceiling became a main feature of the whole scheme. So the ceiling became a real focal piece of our design, and we engaged with Supawood fairly early in the design development phase. Once we had the concept design signed off, we started talking to Supawood early on because we were very cost conscious. Supawood was able to assist in the process in telling us what constraints they have and how we can work together to create a cost-effective outcome, which we ended up doing. We were undertaking this project at the start of COVID. There was a lot of uncertainty surrounding the retail environment at the time, but nevertheless the client pushed ahead with the project, and we had to work really hard with Supawood to present the concept, and we worked with them to come up with cost-effective solutions. We've had meetings with the guys at Supawood, with our engineers, ourselves and our QS, just to come up with solutions that fall within budget without jeopardising our original design intent too much. Working with Supawood was great because they were really collaborative up front. We started engaging with them at the start of design development, straight after design's been signed off by the client. And we then set about nutting out the finer details of how we could build the ceiling. And they were really good in providing us with details and suggestions of how the manufacturing process works, and we were able to fine-tune the design to suit their processes to, say, minimise wastage and to make transport and fabrication easier, which all makes the install on site as quick as possible. Supawood really spoke with our builders early, and they understood the program and the type program that our builders were working with and the stage delivery of it, and they were great in understanding the construction sequences that the builders have provided to them, and they start delivering material on site to start installation in stages so we could keep the program moving and have parts of the centre open progressively. I would recommend Supawood on future projects, and I would happily work with them again simply because they've got a large variety of products available, and guys are really quick to respond to phone calls and emails, and it's always give us the right information that we need to finish our job. It's always good to use local products because you probably have more of a control on delivery, and lead times doesn't really become a major issue. You don't need to rely on shipments and things like that if everything's made locally, so it makes programming and makes controlling of meeting deadlines a lot easier. I really enjoy the collaborative process that I've been through on this particular one, so it makes life easier for us.